Welcome. MCQ for tenses. This tenses MCQ will be suitable for grade 6 onwards, grade 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now first question, I dash working all afternoon and have just finished the assignment. I had been working. Second question, Rohan dashed the movie before he read the review. Rohan had watched the movie. He dash in states, but he still does not have a command over the English language. He has been living in the States. He has been living in the States, but he still does not have a command over the English language. By the next month, we shall dash the project. We shall have completed the project. Every boy and girl is present in the class today, is present. He has been exercising daily for a year now, has been exercising. I had been reading this book since morning, had been reading. Which tense is used to express general truths and facts? Present indefinite tense. According to the prevailing rate, 2 dozen cost rupees 100. Cost. The council has made its decision. Has is the answer. 11th question. What do tenses as a form of verb help to determine? The time of the action. The time of the action. Tenses as a form of a verb help to determine the time of the action. Which tense is used to show the completion of an action by a certain time in the future? Future perfect tense. Future perfect tense. Identify the tense used in the following sentence. When I reached the bookstore, all the copies had already been sold. Had already. Past perfect tense. The wise leader and politician have been assassinated. Have been. Wise leader and politician. So plural, have been assassinated. Neither of the paintings were sold. Neither of the paintings were sold. Sita or her brother, singular, is to be blamed. Sita or her brother is to be blamed. The chief guest with his wife left. The chief guest with his wife left. The quality of products have been degrading over time. The quality of the products have been degrading over time. The news is not updated timely. The news is not updated timely. They got into their cars and drove away. They got into their cars and drove away. Choose a sentence with a future perfect tense. They shall have arrived by then. They shall have arrived by then. Identify the tense used in the following sentence. We are going to reach the destination as scheduled. Present continuous. We are going. Present continuous. Which tense is used to express an action going at some point in the past? Past perfect tense. Each of the 4 army soldiers were ready for the mission. The thief and eyewitness have escaped. Back in my native place, I did not have a smartphone. Now choose the correct answer. When I woke up, he has already eaten breakfast. When I woke up, he had already eaten breakfast. 2 past tense are in the same sentence. The first past tense should have had. That is past perfect tense. When I had woken up, he had already is wrong. When I had woken up, he has already ate strong. Second option. When I woke up, he had already eaten breakfast is the right answer. I have been taking the medicine as prescribed by the doctor for a week now. Have been taking. Have been taking. You and I have fulfilled the obligations. You and I have fulfilled the obligations. Identify the tense used in the sentence. Her brother will walk her down the aisle. Aisle. Future indefinite tense. Her brother will walk. Future indefinite tense. Choose the past perfect continuous tense form of the sentence. The children played in the park throughout the evening. The children past perfect had continuous is ing. So had been ing. The children had been playing in the park throughout the evening. The children had been playing in the park throughout the evening. Identify the tense used in the sentence. Here comes the soon to be bride. Present indefinite. Here comes. Comes is present tense singular. Present indefinite tense. Identify the tense used in the underlined phrase. The weatherman forecasted that it's going to rain. Future continuous tense. Going to is future continuous tense. 2/3 of the food supply has been used for the month. 2/3 of the food supply has been used. The technique of paraphrasing has to be practiced. The technique of paraphrasing technique has to be practiced. Shyam and his brothers have a famous sweet shop in our neighborhood. Shyam and his brothers have a famous sweet shop in our neighborhood. Which tense is used to express that an action started in the past and is continuing till now? Present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense. Identify the tense used in the sentence. While he was in military, he still regularly wrote to me. Past indefinite. While he was in the military. Past indefinite. He was. Identify the tense used in the underlined phrase. He is always fond of reading the newspaper. Reading the newspaper. Present continuous tense. Is reading the newspaper. Is present tense. Fill in the blanks with the present perfect tense form of the verb given in the bracket. James dashed to visit her grandmother. Go. Has gone. James, singular, has gone. Present tense, has. Fill in the blank with the future perfect continuous tense form of the verb given in the bracket. We dash for an hour now. Wait. Future perfect continuous tense. So, shall have been waiting. Future shall. Perfect is have. Been continuing is perfect continuous. So, shall have been waiting. Choose the present indefinite tense form of the sentence. He sleeps. Identify the tense used in the underlined phrase. He joined the cooking school late, but only in a few months had mastered the recipes. Past perfect tense. Had mastered. Past perfect tense. By the time she was 15, she become a beautiful singer. She become. Fill in the blank with the present perfect continuous tense form of the verb given in the bracket. Adam has been following a health regime every day. Has been following. Sorry. 46. Neither she nor I was at home. Was. My friends and I had been stuck there. Had been stuck there. Choose the correct sentence. Sam have gone is wrong. Sam had going to buy some groceries. No. Sam be going is wrong. Sam is going to buy some groceries. Sam is going to buy some groceries. Which tense is used to express an action taking place in the future? Future continuous tense. Future continuous tense. Chris did not want to attend the program. Chris did not want to attend the program. Thank you, Mia.